Guys, today we are going to a place called Falta. It is in West Bengal. We'll be spending a night there at Rajhans Hotel. So let me take you through our journey. We stopped here for some breakfast. As you can see, its name is Radhakrishna Dhaba. Here we are finally at our hotel, Rajhans Hotel. So let me check in and we'll catch up later. So the check-in is done. I came outside the hotel to give you guys a tour of the hotel. So here you go. I'm entering the hotel right now. This is the main entrance. This is the car parking area, and in front of us that we have the lobby. We are entering the lobby, and in front of us we see the reception. On your left we see the dining hall, and on the right at the far end we see the bar. The back of the hotel there are two swimming pools. This is the larger one. It's under maintenance right now, so there is no water. This is the second swimming pool, and it's full with water and it's pretty clear and clean. In front of us we have the lawn. Children can play games here or spend some time. There are beautiful flowers here. In front of us we have the Rajhans garden. This is the property of the hotel, where if there are some extra cars which do not fit the parking area, you can park it here. And this also has a very big garden with a walkway. On your right, there is the Hooghly River. We'll be seeing it soon. And you can see the lawn. It's pretty huge. There you can see the Hooghly River. If you wake up early, you can do a nice jogging here. And there you can see the river. You can see the ship standing over there. The river is pretty wide. There we see the lawn. They're cleaning it so that it remains clean all the time. We had an amazing and sumptuous lunch. We had Indian, which included rice, dal, chicken curry, egg curry and fish curry. Now we are on our way to Noorpur tourist spot, where there is a confluence of three rivers, the Hooghly River and with its main tributary.